What is up, everybody? This is Shields again with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington, and thank you for clicking on this video. This morning we're over here in Forsyth County, North Carolina, and I'm going to be taking you through this stunning Heartland 2 XL, okay? And this is not just any Heartland 2 XL. This is just like our model there in Burlington, which is called the Heartland 2 XL Laundry Plus. So this bad boy is right at 1,962 square feet. It's a good old 3-bed, 2-bath. It is going to always consist of an optional front porch. So what you're looking at here is an 8x32 double gable style front porch with the vaulted ceiling there. Just an absolutely beautiful front porch. We'll get more into that front porch as we go. I'm going to go over here to the side because this particular customer did add a 24x24 two-car garage coming off the side. So the Heartland 2 XL Laundry Plus has it set up where the utility room exterior door is literally off the side of the plan. So it just sets up real conveniently to build the garage just like you're seeing here, okay? Now, if you want the garage off the back or something else, we can kind of move that exterior door based on, you know, where you're wanting to put the garage, carport, whatever. So let's get over here and check out the side of that garage. You'll also notice this customer added a 24x24 parking pad as well. So I mean, you can take all this stuff as far as you want to with sidewalks, parking pads, driveways. We do it all, guys. Carolina Custom Homes is a one-stop home shop, okay? Well, septic, clearing, driveway. Obviously, we do the porches, the garages, the footings, the foundation. We handle it all, guys. All right, so again, this is called the Heartland 2 XL Laundry Plus. I did want to explain something. If you go find the original Heartland 2 XL on our site, it is not going to be the same layout that's at our location there in Burlington or this particular plan. Again, this is called the 2XL Laundry Plus. That is what it's shown as on our website, so you definitely want to make sure you're looking at the correct one, okay? It is 32 feet deep, 62 feet across. Some high notes with this exterior. You are seeing the white vertical siding today on the outside of today's video. So definitely want to notice that. That's always going to be a little bit more expensive compared to the side-to-side siding there. You are seeing the black exterior trim package. So your soffits, your fascias, all that stuff is going to be black. Your window trims, door trims. So that is always going to be an option, but I would call it a little bit more compared to your white exterior trim package, okay? Back to the front porch, it is sitting on a full foundation. That's always going to cost you a little bit more than if it was just standing on post where you could roll a ball under that porch. Being able to, not having the foundation is quite a bit less expensive. So it really just depends on the person at that point. All right, so let's get up here and check it out. Again, this is an 8x32. Now what you're seeing here is a dog gate or baby gate. I would love to have something like this on my porch. So let's get up here and check it out. Our model home there in Burlington has a tongue and groove wood ceiling here. As you're seeing here, the customer did save a little bit of money and just went with the white soffit instead of the tongue and groove ceiling. You could prep it for fans or lights or swings or whatever, but this again is a 6x32 double gable porch with the vaulted ceiling. All right. Got the beautiful wood shutters. I would just call the lineals, the trim around the windows included. The shutters will be extra. They're not terribly expensive, so if you want them, get them. Here we go. All right, so when you open that front door, you're just greeted by this really big living room, okay? You are seeing the taller 9-foot ceilings today as opposed to the 8-foot ceilings. Check out the exposed beams running there. Always an option. Here is your electric insert fireplace option. So if you're wanting a fireplace for the aesthetic, but you don't want one of those big gas fireplaces that we have that might take up floor space or whatever, this is always going to be a good option. It is less expensive than those big gas fireplaces. Got your recessed outlets there for your TV. And I'm going to spin back around to that front door. Today's construction is featuring the 2x6 exterior walls. So you can tell there by how thick that window sill is. The exterior walls are built with 2x4s or 2x6s instead of 2x4s. And then that opens up to your kitchen and dining. All right, so let's focus on this kitchen for just a second. Number one, this is the alternate Heartland kitchen layout. So if you, again, Googled the original Heartland 2 or Heartland 2 XL, this is not the standard kitchen layout. This is a little bit more expensive. What it does is it shuffles around where the appliances are, but more importantly, it includes this huge double-sided island with storage on both sides. It includes a corner cabinet over there, which also includes a Lazy Susan. And it just adds more countertop and cabinetry just in general, okay? And then another thing I wanted to talk about, here you're seeing the bootlegger pantry. So this is a hidden access point to your walk-in pantry. Check that out. How cool is that? All right, so where I'm getting at is you have to have the alternate kitchen in order to have that hidden pantry, okay? Basically, either way, in the original kitchen layout or the alternate kitchen layout, you're gonna have a huge walk-in pantry. It's just if you want this hidden access, hidden bootlegger pantry feature, that is only optional with the alternate kitchen. Now, let me say this, it is extra, that hidden access there is extra on top of the alternate kitchen. So you got two big upgrades there. You've got the alternate kitchen and you've got the bootlegger pantry option, okay? You're seeing one of the 3 included cabinet colors in the kitchen with the white, but you are seeing the optional green in the island, okay? And I've got 2 other cabinet colors to show you in today's video as well, so definitely want to check those out. Full tile backsplash. They didn't stop there. They ran it all the way to the ceiling. Some people stop it at the range hood or mounted microwave if you choose to do a mounted microwave there. I always love the pot filler. You know, not a huge expense, but it really adds some class to this kitchen. Just really elegant feature there. All right, so let's move on to the dining. Just like our model there in Burlington, they did feature the half shiplap wall running down that dining room and then down the hallway. That's always a nice little feature there. And then I wanted to talk about the door. So you would have a double window there, standard. You can option in any door under the sun. They went with a sliding glass door here. Of the double door options, the slider is by far the most affordable. So if you say you want a double door, my first instinct is going to be try to get you with the slider because it saves floor space and it saves you money, okay? One thing I wanted to show you too is this customer added a number of dimmers on their lights. So I don't even know how many, but most of the lights in this house are on a dimmer, which is a cool little feature that we can do. All right, so off of that living room to your left is going to be that master suite. Let's check that out. This room is roughly a 15 by 15. A few extras that I've seen already in this room. Number one, the window blinds throughout the home is always going to be a little extra, but not terribly expensive. A lot of people do add that. In your bedrooms, you're just going to have the globe light, which is basically saying it's wired and braced for a ceiling fan. So every room comes wired and braced for a ceiling fan, a second switch on the wall for that fan. Where I'm getting at is this customer added 4 additional can lights in this master bedroom. So that's always something we can get into, adding lights, stuff like that. Just like the outside, they went with the black interior trim package, knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets, all that. And then these are Nationwide's included 2-panel doors. The 5-panel is extra. All right. And then behind here, you've got a pocket door accessing the walk-in closet. Notice the wood shelving today instead of your wire shelving. Now in our model, basically that square goes away in our model because we set it up as a tankless hot water heater. This is where the water heater is. It was accessible from the pantry. I think I showed that. But you could go tankless or move the water heater and free up even more space in this closet, okay? Got the barn door going into the master bath. You are seeing the dove gray cabinets in here, which are extra. You're also seeing the cultured marble tops. So this is not granite or quartz, but it's also not the laminate formica. It's kind of that in-between price-wise. It is a solid surface. Only available in white and only optional in bathrooms, but very, very popular, okay? Now, over here, a lot of times you'll see bigger showers and stuff using this space. Well, here you're seeing your true garden tub and your 60-inch shower. So in order to get a tub in this particular bathroom, you're gonna have to go to this size shower. But in a lot of cases, that's fine because you can still add ceramic tile. You can still have the flip down seat. You can do additional, handheld wands or wall mounts or rain heads up above. All that stuff is still optional. But this is the size shower that you will have to go with in order to get the tub. Now you've seen this same bathroom with the standalone tubs and all that good stuff. Here's just your good old-fashioned garden tub. And I did want to point out the big 6-foot transom window over the vanity area. So that is something that we show in our model there in Burlington and has seemed to be very popular with our customers. So that's something you want to think about. And then the lighted mirrors are always going to be more than just your typical framed mirrors. We do have the framed mirrors in white or black, but if you want to go to the lighted mirrors, they are going to be a little extra. All right, so let's go across that main space, check out these spare bedrooms, the utility, and the garage, and we'll be all set. You are seeing the vault flooring today, the fawn flooring today. So this is one of the 5 included flooring options or colors, the fawn. We show our model in Burlington with the vault. So if you wanted to see, the same house with different colors, there you go. All right, so as you go down the hallway, on the left is bath 2. Again, dove gray cabinets. This would be a great example of your included black framed mirror. So we have that same mirror in white or black, like I just said. There's your black one. Just your good old tub shower insert here. They did add a transom window in there to get more light in this bathroom so it's not so dark. Always a good idea. Keep in mind, you need the 9-foot ceilings to accommodate transom windows. Bedroom 2. Bedroom 3, I'll show you this closet. It's the exact same as the last bedroom. All right, and then last but not least is this just awesome, awesome utility room. So that is your side loading exterior door taking you to that side loading garage. This one's definitely set up a little bit different than our model there in Burlington, but I mean, you can't go wrong with whatever you decide to do in this utility room. So you've got your washer and dryer area. We show cabinetry wrapping all the way to this washer and dryer. She just went with, cabinetry on that back wall. In our model, we also show a pet shower here. They took the pet shower out and just did a good old storage closet there. But yeah, I mean, just an incredible space. And then if you do add a door in the dining, we can get you that door or that window there basically for free, because we're going to take one of the windows that was supposed to be in the dining and put it in here. You could add additional windows, additional outlets, transom windows. You see the hall tree there. That's always going to be a good option for the utility rooms. A half bath could fit in here. Maybe a stand-up shower, the pet shower. So many options, guys. All right, and then that leads you to the garage. The garage is just like your porch. So we're going to build this on site. So I mean, it's a big can of worms as far as, the specifications of what you want, size, finishes, multiple garage doors, multiple exterior doors, more windows, less windows, pull down attic access with storage trusses up above, just to name a few things that you can do. All right. All right, guys, so that's it for today. We just walked the Heartland 2XL Laundry Plus. Keep in mind, we do have this on display there in Burlington at 2450 North Church Street. It's at 1,962 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. I'd love to show you around our model and build something for you guys. So if you or you know anyone interested in building their dream custom home, please get with me with my email right here, shields@nccustom.modulars.com. New videos every Monday and Thursday. I really enjoy doing this, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching. Take care.